मेकअप क्या होता है, मतलब either it's makeup or it's no makeup. We'll just need 3 products, that is Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gauri Gajare and on this channel I post content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So do check my channel out, and if you find something that you're looking for, then don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with today's video. So today we are going to do a no makeup look. I know that sentence itself sounds a little funny. No makeup क्या होता है, मतलब either it's makeup or it's no makeup. According to me, this is what I feel about no makeup look. Okay, so hear me out. Sticking to your original skin tone and your original natural skin, just working on a little imperfections here and there. As you can see, there are a lot of dark spots and थोड़ा बहुत pigmentation. I feel that is no makeup look. Please ignore अगर आपको पीछे से बहुत ज़्यादा background आवाज़ आए. I think I'll switch to video mode और मैं voice over कर लूँगी बाद में. So as of now, there's nothing on my face. It's just my moisturizer and my sunscreen. For this no makeup look, we'll just need 3 products, that is concealer, compact and something for the lip. मेरे पास वही concealer और compact है जो मैं हज़ारों बार दिखा चुकी हूँ मेरे वीडियो पे. That's all I have. First things first, getting the hair out of the way ताकि आराम से makeup हो. Feels so much better like this. I wish I can stay this forever. Starting with my most favorite product, which is Maybelline Fit Me's Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. And the shade that I'm using is Caramel. This is so lightweight and feels like second skin. I am literally grooving to the songs playing in the background जो आपको नहीं सुनाई दे रहे होंगे. पीछे ना मस्त गरबा के गाने बज रहे थे. आय हाय मजा आ गया. So टॉपिक से ना भटकते हुए मैं अपना concealer blend करूंगी with my beauty blender. I literally don't think I'm going to try out any new concealer for a while now because I am obsessed with this. मेरा बस चलिए मैं यहीं तक रुक जाऊँ, but we'll settle this concealer by using compact. The compact is in shade 220, that is natural beige. This is Maybelline's Fit Me compact. The packaging is new. इसके ऊपर का Maybelline हट गया है, but मैंने इसे बहुत यूज़ कर लिया है. This is like my second or third compact. This is a very beginner friendly no makeup look. Concealer और compact तो शायद आपके पास होगा. The lip product that I will be using today is new. 2-3 दिन पहले ही आया है. I was eyeing for that shade for a while. वो out of stock बता रहा था, तो मैं रुकी and then I finally got it. I think I would want to do something on my eye as well. This is totally optional, okay? I want to keep it as simple as possible. मैं कोई mascara वगैरह नहीं लगाऊंगी. I think I would just apply a little bit kajal on the outside corner of my eyelid. फिर देखते हैं कैसे लग रहा है. So I will be using my Color Bar का kajal as an eyeliner. I think it's looking very nice. I'll smudge it a little bit. So subtle, it looks beautiful. I think I would just want that little curl without any mascara, of course. थोड़े से curled eyelashes look really nice. Looking so damn pretty. Isn't it cool? This looks so subtle, minimal, yet very chic. Okay. And last but not the least, our star product of today, Romand Juicy Lasting Tint. I ordered it from Tira. This is in the shade 22 Pomelo Skin. मैं ऐसा ही lip tint देख रही थी. Lip tint या lip gloss, whatever you say. This is marketed as the lip tint. Something very minimal and very neutral on the lips. It gives that MLBB effect. This is how the bottle is, like the packaging is. It retails for $8.90. Since it was my very first purchase on Tira, I got it for $7.90. This is how the applicator is. If I swatch it on my hand, this is how the shade is. Oh my god, this smells so fruity and so fresh. I love it. So let's try it. I have little pigmented lips, तो देखते हैं मेरे lips पे आता भी है कि नहीं इसका कुछ. This is what I was looking for. This look is fab. This is a single coat. Let's see एक और coat लगाने के बाद कैसा लगता है. This is an everyday lip tint, I swear. देखते हैं कोई stain छोड़ता है कि नहीं. Oh, it does leave a very minimal stain. The best part is it is non-sticky. It does not feel sticky at all. It feels beautiful on the lip. This is our no makeup look using very basic products. You can just keep it to concealer and compact. However, for experimenting, I have used the kajal. You can do that too. I love how glass-like finish this has given. I am going to use this every single day for my office. This is such a pretty shade for daily office wear look. This is the no makeup look that I was aiming for, and I feel मेरे दिमाग में था उससे कई ज़्यादा better लग के आ रहा है ये. So I am very happy. You can also do a little cute hairstyle. मतलब these are some clips that I have. They are like super cute. इतने छोटे clips हैं. So what I'll do is I will just take a strand and clip it here. See? Cute, isn't it? इसका भी हम वैसे ही कर सकते हैं. Make sure that both of these are same line. How cute is that? Super cute. Specs on. चश्मे के साथ ऐसा लग रहा है, which is cute. This is it for today, you guys. Let me know what did you feel of this look. Any suggestions, any advice, any particular look that you want me to try. Do mention in the comment section below. And so sorry for the background noise. It's just how things are right now. But this is it for today, you guys. This is Gauri Gajare signing off for now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then do give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel, support it, and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. I will see you in my future videos. Bye bye, take care, see ya.